One wrong move near these dogs, and intruders instantly regret it. These powerful guardian breeds combine strength, loyalty, intelligence, and fearless protection for families everywhere. Number 10. Boxer. Boxers are energetic, muscular, and naturally protective. They love families and react quickly whenever strangers act suspicious around the house. Number 9. Akita. Akitas are silent guardians with powerful bodies and fearless personalities. They stay loyal forever and never back down from danger. Number 8. Giant Schnauzer. Giant Schnauzers are smart, serious, and hard-working protectors. With proper training, they become reliable guardians for large homes and families. Number 7. Bull Mastiff. Bull Mastiffs were bred to stop intruders without hesitation. Their massive size alone can scare almost anyone away immediately. Number 6. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are trusted by police and military teams worldwide. They are intelligent, obedient, fearless, and extremely dependable protectors. Number 5. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are powerful dogs with strong guarding instincts. They stay calm with family, but become fearless when real threats appear. Number 4. Doberman Pinscher. Dobermans are fast, athletic, and highly alert guardians. Their speed and confidence make them excellent home protection dogs. Number 3. Belgian Malinois. Belgian Malinois dogs work with elite military units worldwide. They are focused, intense, intelligent, and always ready to protect. Number 2. Cane Corso. Cane Corsos are muscular Italian guardians known for confidence and strength. They protect their families with fearless determination every single day. Number 1. Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Mastiffs are giant guardians with unmatched protective instincts. Their strength, courage, and intimidating presence make intruders think twice instantly. Remember, even the strongest guardian dog needs training, discipline, exercise, and socialization. A well-trained protector becomes loyal, confident, and trustworthy. Real power is not only about strength, it is about control, intelligence, loyalty, and protection.